Hello to all. In this video, I want to show you how you can have a great internet income without having expertise, money, and without capital. For this, you must first create an account on one of the freelance sites such as Upwork. Creating an account on this site is completely free. Then you have to search the word retouch photo on this site and choose any ad that you find attractive from among the ads and send an offer to it. If the employer accepts your request, he will send you the photos for editing. Now it's time to edit photos in Photoshop. Don't worry at all, because in the rest of the video I will show you how to easily edit photos, and in just a few minutes you can complete these projects and send them to the employer. After the employer sends you photos like these, you have to enter them into the Photoshop software. Now you should easily remove the skin spots with this tool. You can download and use this action that I am showing you for free from the previous video on my YouTube channel. Now let's see the steps of using this action together.